What's up, marshmallow lovers? Today we're making Irish cream marshmallows. For this recipe, you'll need sugar, corn syrup, cream, cocoa, whiskey, water, fish gelatin, and vanilla powder. In a microwaveable bowl, add 4 ounces of cold water with 2 ounces of fish gelatin and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Mix this together until it's combined. Add a pinch of salt for flavor and set aside. In a deep, wide pot, you're going to add 2½ cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 ounces of cream, 2 ounces of corn syrup, and 6 ounces of whiskey. Stir together until it's combined, and you're going to cook this sugar syrup to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. When your sugar syrup hits 225 degrees, we want to take the gelatin and melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Once your sugar syrup hits 230 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to pour it into your bowl of gelatin. Add the mixture to your mixing bowl, and you'd be wise to use pot holders as it is still quite hot. It's now time to whip your marshmallows. Use the whisk attachment and whip the marshmallows until they double or triple in size. I'm going to pipe these marshmallows, so I need a piping bag, and to do this hands-free, I use a tall container and put my piping bag down into the tall container. You know your marshmallows are ready when they've doubled or tripled in size and the mixture flows like lava in the bowl. After pouring the marshmallow mix into my piping bag, I cut a small hole into the piping bag, and I decided that I wanted to make these into little pots of gold, so I'm using a cake pop silicone mold. To decorate the little pots of gold, you'll need black cocoa, Airhead Extremes, and your choice of sprinkles. I found it easier to decorate the marshmallows right after piping them. I took the Airhead Extremes and cut them into little strips, and then bent the little rainbows and stuck them right on top of each marshmallow. Then the sprinkles I just sprinkled on top, and to be honest, I just poured it over the entire batch of marshmallows. At first, I was going to decorate the pots of gold with black candy melts, but I quickly realized that I have to wait for the candy melts to cool down or it's going to melt my marshmallows. I decided to go back to my original idea and dip the pots into black cocoa. And this is actually 3 parts sugar and 1 part black cocoa. And here they are, my little pots of gold made with Irish cream marshmallows, just in time for St. Patrick's Day. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified when I make my lemon marshmallows next month.